Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix this error. An instance specific error occurred while establishing a connection to SQL server. This error I got while connecting my Azure SQL database from the Azure Data Studio. Not only that, if you are trying to connect your Azure SQL database from the SQL Server Management Studio also, there is a chance that you will get this error. So just to give you an overview, you can see this error here. I just put that screenshot over here. So this is the error I'm talking about. So as part of this video tutorial, we are going to see how I got this error and what are the steps I followed to fix this error. Okay. Now let me navigate to Azure Data Studio where I will try to connect from there to my Azure SQL database and we'll see what is the error we are getting. So I'll just search here Azure Data Studio and I'll click on the search result here. Now to connect to the Azure SQL database, I will just click on the then new connection, and here we need to provide the SQL server name, right? Azure SQL server name. For server name, we need to provide here. What I will do is I will navigate to Azure portal where I have created the SQL server already, right? This is the Azure SQL database. And if you'll see here, this is the server name, right? I'll copy this and I'll go here and here I will paste it, the server name, right? So basically authentication type I have used there as the Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so I'll choose that and then account is this one for me and I'll click on the connect button. Now you can able to see here we got the same error I was talking about, right? It is showing that an instance specific error occurred while establishing a connection to SQL server, and that's why connection was denied. Okay. So to fix this error, what we need to do is we will go to portal again and we will click on the server name, which will move to SQL server page, right? And then you'll see here under security, there is a tab called networking, right? Click on that from the left navigation. And here if you'll see that this public network access for this SQL server is disabled, right? That's why it's not allowing us to connect it from any of the tool, right? So what we need to do is just select selected networks. Okay. So two things we have to do here. Here we need to choose selected networks, and what you need to do here is you need to click on add a firewall rule, and here we need to add a rule. Okay. I will just say paste and then I will say I need to type one IP. Okay. So I'll just type 49.206.128.65. Now I will copy the same thing here as the end IP as well. I'll say OK. Okay. Now you can able to see here this rule has been added in the list. Okay. Now make sure to click on the save button. Okay. You can able to see here it is trying to update the public address and the firewall rule that we have added now, right? So both are successfully done, successfully updated. Now going back to the Azure Data Studio, we'll click on the OK button on the error pop-up, and then I will just click on the connect button. The moment I'll do that, it will navigate to the next screen. Now you can able to see here we are able to connect to our Azure SQL database from the Azure Data Studio, right? You can able to see here we are connected successfully. This is the server and these are the two databases available in that server, right? Azure License DB and the Master DB default one. So that's it for today. I thought to show you how to fix this particular error, right? And we have discussed the complete steps to fix this error. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you'll get lots of free videos on different Azure articles, different helpful Azure PowerShell commands, and Azure CLI commands. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.